Hey, hello, and thanks for joining me for another home bodyweight workout. This is Byron, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to do basically it's a little bit different. I'm doing an ab workout, but I normally do what's called the ab aerobics suite or whatever. Which is a combination of aerobics and either sit-ups or crunches. Okay, and I really advocate crunches a lot because I love crunches. And as an older person, not so young anymore, crunches really help me to stay in shape. Be healthy most of the time, but not always. So it certainly helps me to lose weight. That's important. Especially when you're older, your metabolism starts to slow down. Anyway, so this is I'm going to do an ab workout, and I'm going to show you the different positions that you can do crunches, for example. So let me turn the chair around. So with the crunches, you can do them different ways, or at least different footing positions. So I can do them close in, I can do them middle, or I can do them out like this. Today, I think I'll do them out quite far, okay, like so. So basically, just do it like this, and then I can mix it up with some aerobics too, which I just might do. But you can also you can do them traditionally. This is like a traditional crunch. So for example, if I do crunches like this, okay, with my feet far, basically just bringing my feet back like a robot, my belt was opened up. This is not that kind of video. All right, let's see. All right, so I'm just bringing my feet back, straight back. And these are a little bit tough. The ones with your feet far out, because you really have to keep your feet far out. And then if you want to do the side crunch, even more difficult. Okay, to target the obliques. All right, and then if you want to do like a non-traditional, what I call a non-traditional crunch, just kind of stick your legs out and up like this. You can also kind of bring your feet forward to the middle. This is called a non-traditional crunch. But you will feel, look at my belt again. I don't know if you go through that. It's not that short video. Or just out, like a grasshopper or something. And you will feel this, surprisingly. It looks really strange, but you will feel this. I'm going to move my, if you can see this. Basically, you're just kind of a non-traditional crunch with your, the backs of your feet sort of pointing inward a little bit. You will feel that after a while. It's a strange way of doing a crunch because normally people do the crunches, with their legs together, but you can actually also do them this way. And since your legs are really far out, it really targets the abs. Okay, so that's getting a little bit tiring, or a little bit exhausting, I should say, a little bit exhausting. Okay, so let's go back to, again, let's do the, and I'll do the crunches this way this time, just so, you've seen them. Basically, I have my feet far out from my body, so it's not rocket science. All right, so when you do the feet, the far position crunches, they're a little more advanced, so just be aware of that. If you want to do the side ones, they're quite tough. Don't fall over. It's one danger when you're doing an exercise you're not used to is, doing something dumb like falling over. Well, it will make your family laugh, though. Your friends and family will probably laugh at you. They'll get a good laugh at you. All right, so I went from that one. So from this from this crunch to the non-traditional one. And this really targets the obliques too. And it's a good sort of add-on, to the original one. Okay, and then if I want to mix it up with some aerobics, again, I usually like to mix it up with some aerobics, when I'm doing an ab workout. So, in this one, with your legs up, you can do any kind of aerobics. I usually do aerobics that also target the obliques, like the side to side leg throw, leg swing. Okay. Your body, your hips to one side, your foot to the other side, and then kind of the Apsara. You just kind of lift your legs up to the side. And I usually do some of these at the beginning of my workout as well, just to get some the heart rate going and whatnot. Okay. And you can also do the twist. And, lift your knee up. This is dull again. I'm sorry. I don't know what's wrong with this. It's so crazy. It just keeps opening up whenever there's pressure. I think I have a new one. I think I need a new one. All right. Okay. They're getting tougher now. So you know, you notice that they will get tougher quite quickly. They will get tough quite quickly. So when you're doing two different kinds of crunches like I'm doing, and also the far footing position. These ones are quite a bit harder. So get some variation in your ab workout, just like you get variation in other parts of your workout. And I'm mixing these with these non-traditional crunches. Oh. So you can do a crunch basically with your legs in at a wide position or a closed position. Also, oh. All right, let's back into some aerobics. Swings. Really target those obliques. This really targets the obliques. Okay, and then move to the Sarah. Okay, then the twist. It's really good to mix your ab workouts with some aerobics to increase the fat loss and the toning. Okay, and then I'm screwing up this rug. let me straighten the rug here. All right, and then back to the crunches. These are getting pretty tough now. Let's just a second. So even if you can't do that many, it's important to try and hold, you know, throughout the exercise. At least try, you know, give it a shot. Okay. Okay. All right, and then to the non-traditional ones. And these really feel hard, you know, after you've done the initial ones. Wow, they feel difficult, you know. All right. Just gotta do like grasshopper maneuver or something. All right, so and to the aerobics. If you do this aerobics work, if you do this, you know, ab aerobics workout 2 to 3 times a week, like I said in other videos, you really will have a very fit, you know, midsection ab area. Mine didn't. My stomach area didn't used to look like this, not by a long shot. It was only through doing this workout that I really started to see the you know, the weight loss in that area, the toning in that area. All right. Now, Sarah. Okay. Twist. All right. Then we'll try a couple more of these. There goes the rug again. Rug. All right. And then back to it. Pretty much done as far as I got. Let's try the non-traditional one. I can't even do that. But everything I'm doing is sort of targeting the ab area. So yeah, it's everything I'm doing is targeting the abs and the obliques in some way, shape, or form. So, all right, so that should be about it. You know, so just mix your abs with your aerobics. Mix your abs strength training workout with your aerobics. And so if I sit down and talk about the what I was doing there, so it's basically just mixing abs and aerobics together to make an overall very good workout. And you'll see that if you do that, like I say, if you do that 2 to 3 times a week, you will not have any fat problems. I used to, you know, I didn't used to have as, you know, pretty toned of a stomach as I have now. Before, you know, I used to basically be a little, you know, quite a bit fatter actually. But this workout, which, you know, I tried like all these machines and everything or whatever workout programs, but this one works the best. This one definitely works the best, and it's just excellent in just about every way. So I hope you enjoyed that. I hope it worked for you, and definitely try that out. If you're having any trouble, any issues with you know, your abs, you just want to lose weight. You want a good, cheap and easy free workout you can do at home in your spare time and you know, in the morning or whatever, in the afternoon when you get home from work, whatever you want, it's there for you. It's there waiting for you. Trust me, 2 to 3 times a week, you will not have any fat problems. Thank you very much for joining me. Everyone stay motivated to work out at home, and we'll see you next time. Everyone stay strong.